Hey guys, I just wanted to shoot this video and show you the Strike app and how you can get $11 completely free, no deposit required. You don't have to send money to friends, nothing like that. So what the Strike app is a pay your friend app. It's similar to Cash App. It's available in the United States, everywhere except for Hawaii and New York, and it's also available in El Salvador. Now, I'm not sure if the current bonus or promotion in El Salvador is the same dollar value as it is in the United States, but you can always look into that and see what the bonus is that you would receive. So, if you do live in the United States and you're not in Hawaii or not in New York, then this video is for you. Otherwise, this won't work. So as you can see here, the current promotion for invite your friends is $11 per referral and $11 when you sign up. The only thing you have to do to qualify for the bonus is verify your account. So you're going to have to upload your ID, both front and back, in order to get your account verified. And then once your account's verified, you'll receive the $11 bonus. So here's the referral code that you want to use. This is mine. Of course, if you already have a friend that gave you one, then you can use theirs. I will leave a link to the app down in the description, and you want to go in and you download the app, set up your account. If prompted, again, you want to use this referral code. Once you do that and you verify your account, you'll have the $11 pending, and then you can come here and you can trade it for Bitcoin. So as you can see here, I have $10 pending. So the promotions do vary. When I first signed up, it was a $10.50 promotion, and it was for both the sign up and the referral bonus. Then they ran a different promotion where the sign up bonus was $5 and the referral bonus was $10. So that's why I have $10 still pending. So now I'm going to take these $10 and turn them into Bitcoin. So I'm just going to do the whole $10. I click max, I click confirm, and there you go. $10 in free Bitcoin. So as far as I know, the bonuses are unlimited, so you can refer as many friends as you want and you'll receive the bonus every time they complete the process. If you wanted to withdraw the Bitcoin, you would do so by pressing this button right here. A screen will pop up and you can either scan the QR code or you can paste the Bitcoin address. You can also hold it here in this app and you can sell it if you choose. And obviously you can buy Bitcoin within this app as well if you wanted to. It's completely up to you what you choose to do with your rewards. I almost forgot to mention, you can also do direct deposit into this app, and you can choose to have your direct deposit 100%, 50%, whatever you choose, automatically converted into Bitcoin. So I thought that was really cool. So to set up direct deposit, I just wanted to point it out. It's right here. I'm not going to click the button because what's going to happen is when you click the button, you're going to get a pop-up window and it's going to have your routing number and account number. And then you want to enter those numbers in your company's payroll, the way you usually do direct deposit. And then there'll be a button that says pay me in Bitcoin, and you click that and you can choose the percentage of your direct deposit that you want to go towards Bitcoin.